Good early morning. We're firing up the Volvo 240. There we go. The Volvo 240 is such an iconic car that many of you guys have had the chance to own or drive at some point in time in your life. But maybe if you're younger like me, you've primarily just seen them online and always wanted to own one. Before I eventually finally found a 240 that was right for me, I was living vicariously through videos like these. And now it's my pleasure to be able to share this car and my experiences with it for you guys. This is not a perfect car, but I'm doing my best to treat it well, keep it clean, and give it the maintenance and love that it deserves. Something that I really like about this car is that it's a special car that doesn't draw too much attention, if any at all. To most, I think it blends into traffic as just another old car, and to some, it seems like a pretty cool older wagon that catches their eye. And for the select few that recognize the Volvo 240 instantly and either love them or have a good history with them, they can really appreciate seeing one of these cars on the road. Where I live, they're definitely few and far in between these days. But let me know how common they are on the roads around where you live. Though not as modern feeling as my Volvo 850, this 240 is still such a smooth and straight driving car. Still a pleasure to drive on a beautiful early morning like this, as the sun is rising currently. Just noticed my glove box has been kind of partially open this whole time, moving around a little bit. Planning on doing a bit of a tune-up on this car soon, but I'm also trying to balance that with the philosophy of if it ain't broke, don't fix it. It's a beautiful day and a lot warmer than typical for this time. Still the beginning of January here in Alberta, Canada. And now we're officially in the countryside. As you can see, the sun is up, shining bright as ever. Thank you so much for joining me on this early morning drive in my 1993 Volvo 240 wagon. Subscribe to stick around for more, and safe driving, everybody.